Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to clean samples with our company's handheld laser cleaning machine. The welder put on laser protective glasses and gloves to protect himself. He is using a 1000W laser cleaner to remove rust on the surface of the sample. The whole process takes a short time and the result is amazing. Laser cleaning equipment is a new generation of high-tech surface cleaning products. It is easy to install, control, and implement automation. With simple operation, switching power supply, open the device. Then it can be achieved cleaning without chemical reagent, medium and water washing. It has many advantages of the focus adjustment manually. Joint surface cleaning, higher cleaning surface cleanliness. It can also remove the surface of resin, grease, stains, dirt, rust, coating, paint on objects. The next long video, filler wire welding.